Hello, Chef here. Real quick recipe for you. Today we're going to be using this pound of carrots and making steamed sunshine carrots. So real quickly, what you need is a steamer insert like this. Good sharp knife, good to go. Steamer is going to go in the pot of hot water over there. Carrots. Remove the bad spots. You don't want to eat the bad carrots. Cut off the tops and bottoms, just like that. Okay, once you got these carrots peeled, we're going to split each one in half, and that's a little bit easier if you cut them down. Okay, at this point, the carrots get put into the steamer, just like this. And we steam them for about 2 minutes. Oh yeah, look at that. These carrots are beautiful. At this point, they're cooked about halfway, and we're going to go to the next step. And that's going to be to quickly give them a saute. Shock the carrots in ice water. Some fresh garlic. I'll be using just a touch of this, maybe these 2 pieces with my carrots. Hot wok. Olive oil. Garlic. Hawaiian sea salt. Pink. I like it. Basil. Two ounces of orange juice. Dried shallots. That's gonna be good. Okay, just plating up this meal. The finished carrots.